The Ilonggo community, just like the rest of the world, has been fighting a tough battle against COVID-19. The entire country is under enhanced community quarantine, and we follow protocols and safety measures in order to avoid transmission of the virus. Classes, transportation, religious gatherings, businesses, events, and the like have been suspended to ensure the safety of everyone. Here in Iloilo City, we have been doing initiatives to help our fellow Ilonggos, especially those who are economically affected by this global pandemic. We have been providing food for everyone through our 240 community kitchens and Uswam Kitchen that feeds our frontliners and security and safety personnel. Through the help of our generous medical donors, we have also distributed relief goods and hygiene kits to those who need them the most. Through the collaborative efforts of the bakery owners, we were able to come up with the Ilonggo Pandesal, an initiative that aims to provide Ilonggo families with bread on their tables. With the help of Ilonggo businessmen, we were able to purchase testing kits, and we have started testing our PUMs and PUIs.
I fully understand that everyone is affected given the current situation. But I also know that some of our fellow Ilonggos need assistance more than we do. And that is why, in case there will be another relief, goods, distribution, and you cannot receive, I hope that you will be understanding and considerate enough. Everyone is trying their best. Our barangay leaders, together with my staff at the mayor's office, are taking the initiative, identifying families who need help more, and we prioritize them. I believe that you will agree with me that in times like this, fairness means giving to those who need the help more. Pero tinguan gid naton nga mabuligan ang tanan. It pains me to read some comments of our fellow Ilonggos nga nagahisaay pa sa bulig. I would like also to share with you that we came up with an ad hoc committee to study on how we can gradually lift the ECQ. The said committee will formulate specific protocols adopting approved measures of the World Health Organization, the Interagency Task Force, the Department of Health, and some guidelines that we came up so that we can slowly go back to normal. It is undeniable that we have to work in order for us to survive. If we want to get back to normal as soon as possible, we need your cooperation. I would like to give emphasis on the protocol that only one member per household is allowed to go out to run errands and buy groceries. Only one quarantine pass should be given to each family. If we continue with unnecessary activities outside your homes, madugayan gid kita kasolbar sining nga problema. Mga palangga ko nga mga Ilonggo, let us show the world nga paagi sa aton kooperasyon kag binuligay. Madasig naton nga malampasan ang ini nga panghangkad. Bato, Ilonggo.